Assalamualaikum guys, hope आप सब खैरियत से होंगे. So I have received some of the feedbacks that my videos are dumb and deaf, and I kinda agreed with. So I decided to make a voiceover, and I hope you like it. So now I'm starting the apartment tour video with this view because it's so beautiful. I actually made a time lapse for you as well. So this one is the view from my window, and I know for a fact that my camera didn't capture it the way it was. Here now I'm making breakfast, and I tried to fry these eggs, but I was failed miserably, so I just scrambled the fried eggs. Yeah, that's the new recipe. And I toasted the bread a little bit with the oil. Now what I have to do is I won't make the video right now because it's a little dark and the light is not good. So now I'm making it like in a midday. I was actually trying to open the door, but in actual reality I was closing it. When I for the apartment video, when I came outside, I forgot to lock the door. So I thought I'm opening it, but I was closing it. So yeah, I know, just bear with me. I'm a little dumb. Yeah, I know. So ta-da! This is my apartment. Oh, these are my shoes, by the way. Sorry. I'll just close the door first, and then I'll put my keys here. Okay. Now I think we are good to go. I'll just a minute. I'll lock it. Okay. So I don't know usually how apartment tour take place, but I'll do it my way. This is the kitchen. These are some drawers. And this one is so annoying. It's so loud. Okay, actually, I didn't brought anything with me. I just brought a cup with me. And these were already here. So yeah, I'll close this one. Now, yeah, here we place the utensils. And these ones are like buttons to control the stoves. Yeah. And this one is oven, I think. Yeah, it looks like one. Now, yeah, these are utensils. This one is for garbage. And this one is oil and a chips bag. I think it's a wrapper. It's an empty wrapper. Now, moving forward, I'll show you the other drawers. Okay, in this one we have some lunch boxes and an oil. Some more utensils, spoons, forks, knives, etc. And this one, we have pots and pans, fry pans. Oh, we actually have a telephone. I don't know if it's work or not, but yeah. So this one is my kitchen. So now all of you, actually we have some dirty dishes to wash, but yeah, I actually made it without washing. I should have done that. I'm lacking some manners as well, I know. So this is fridge, and I actually buy a mayonnaise so that it's easier for me to eat the breakfast, etc. Yeah, I don't have to cook that much. This one is freezer, I think. Yeah, because it was so cold. These are some salads, and it's not mine, it's of my roommates. This is actually for decoration or like for putting things here. We are not using it right now, but I think we will. This is empty drawer, I know, but it will not be empty one day. So for these, it's for like dirty clothes, and it's also of my roommates. Study table and a chair. So I don't use this one. Oh, this one is the dining table. And yeah, I think it's enough for two people. And the windows. So you know how there are like trendy things, and some things or stuffs like German windows are different from others. So I'll show you here like how it's different. So now I opened it like a door, right? But now I will close it and open it in another way. So that's cool and crazy, I know. I'll just close it. Okay. And I'm doing it wrong. I know I'm stupid. Okay. Yeah, just bear with me, okay? So what we have to do is we have to push it, and then we have to, yes, we have to upside the, no, the handle, move the handle to the 90s, and yes, here we are. So there are two ways to open the window in Germany or Austria, and that's cool. Now I'll close it. You have to push it and just move the handle back at 180, I think. Oh, actually, sorry guys. I was like, a little here because I was figuring out the apartment, so I don't know much, but now I know, and it really feels so stupid. I know. And for this strip, like here, the strip, it's to close the window. Yeah, so that no one can see you. I actually didn't know the strip at that time. I would have, showed you. Now we are moving towards a room. That's my bedroom. Okay, so it's the shared room that we're talking about. And for the rooftops, don't mind me filming it because I like it. This is my bed and a side table and a dustbin, which I brought from an Indian curry shop. She was so nice. She gave it to me free. And it was actually a yogurt box. We have some shelves. And here, instead of placing books, I've placed some tissues and lettuce. That's a table. And a suitcase with my coat on. And here we have some spaces too, That's my roommate's bed and a study table for her, I think. These are some spaces. I'll show you from here, okay? So these are the ones where we can put her perfumes or stuff here. So it will be much easier. So I've put it my Quran, Mus'haf, and a prayer mat here and a hairbrush. I am not using this that much. So these are the cupboards. That's the mirror in between the cupboards. This one is my side. It's actually, yeah, it's actually cool, I think. And here, is looking so cozy, I know. This one is my roommate's cupboard side. Now, what I have to do is, ceiling. Obviously, the ceiling is so cool from the naked eye, but I don't hold the camera. Yeah, because that's light. Oh my god. This one is another one. So now I will show you the bathroom. I don't know if apartment tours include a tour of bathroom, but yeah, I will. So this one is window for ventilation. This one is a geyser for the warm water and stuff. This one is toilet, and from like one side it's divided into two. One side is like toilet and another side is for bath. So this one is like some spaces to put our stuff there. I'll show you. This one is like having my toothpaste and toothbrush, and this one is used by my roommates. That's her stuff. And there is a window at this side as well, a shower and a ceiling. Yeah. So now, that's how their room is locked in here. Mostly washrooms. I don't know about other rooms, but yeah, I visited 2 or 3 of them, and it was like this one. Now I'm moving back. I didn't met anyone in the doorway, yeah, and never seen anyone. So when I like hear noise from the downstairs, I always run towards my apartment and lock it. Yeah, because I'm concerned. Yeah, I don't trust anyone. So now I will show you the whole look of like my apartment. So I've already like showed you, but I will tell you how it looks like from different kind of views. The kitchen I already showed you before. These are dining table, study table, and a fridge. Okay, cool. Now moving towards my bedroom. This is my bed, my window, and some, spaces, and a cupboard with a cozy look. That's the ceiling. I know for sure my camera is not, you know, capturing it the way I see it, but yeah, it's cool. Now I will end this video with a window view, and I hope you like it. And if you don't, I'm sorry. I'll I am improving myself, so the videos day by day will be improved, inshallah. And I hope you have a wonderful day ahead. And I hope that you like my video. And if you don't, then I kind of don't care as well. Yeah. So, Khuda Hafiz, take care, and keep me in your prayers. Yep. Bye bye.